Catchflow. What is Catchflow?
We're trying to catch the flow.
Catching the flow.
Catching the flow.
All right, tell us a little bit about that.
Okay, so our company is named Catchflow.
All right.
We are a speaker company.
All right.
The speaker looks like this. Yeah, we actually have 4 different types of speakers.
Okay.
This is the SRAY S type.
Okay.
The biggest point we have through the speaker is that this is a directional speaker. The directional speaker is that the sound. You know, when you think of a speaker, what do you think of it?
I don't think anything of a speaker.
No, so like when we think about a speaker, the sound, it spreads out everywhere, doesn't it?
Okay.
A directional speaker, it only targets a typical road.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
So if I put this on my computer, it's headed towards me, and he won't
not going to be
hear
able to hear it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how
Perfect.
it works.
Yeah. Wow. And there's like many little speakers in here.
Yeah.
It's like a little bumblebee's eye or fly's eye or something like that.
We're using the sensors through the speakers.
Okay.
And that is why, that is how this is working.
Oh, so not all of these speakers will fire at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay. So how does it sense the person then?
Like, so whenever you're in front of it,
okay,
that means that the sound, it can reflect to you.
Okay.
Doesn't it? That's how the sound is.
Does it do the sensors? Does it like ping, or does it how does the sensor work?
Actually, instead of the sensor, we actually use the ultrasound wave and the straightness of the ultrasound wave.
Okay.
That's how it works.
So it hears back what it's sending.
Yeah, that's
and
exactly
like a ping, and then says okay, and nothing's happening on this side, so we can cut that out.
Of course.
Perfect. Is this out yet?
Yes. As I said, we have 4 different type of products.
Okay.
And this one, the SRAY S type, is out.
Okay.
And you can actually buy it. It's a bit expensive right now.
How much is it?
It's $250 to $300.
Okay,
right
just for the one speaker, or is that a pair?
Yeah.
Okay.
And actually, this is the product.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have 3 other type of products right now.
All right.
But those are on sale right now.
Is that a wireless product then, or
this isn't a wireless, but we do have a portable type.
Okay. Okay, but perfect for a computer, especially if you're doing an online conference call or something like that.
Of course. And also we're targeting not only for music or sounds just to like listen for a long time, but also for announcements or information delivery.
Okay.
Yeah, so like traffic or like exhibitions, advertising could be an industry that we could utilize.
Translation would be another one. If you wanted to speak in Korean, I'd have one of these speakers close by to hear the English version of it. Or I'd learn Korean. That's one of the 2 things I can do here. So how much? You said the price on that. The other products, those are out to market?
No, not yet.
Okay, and that's why you're here at CES, to show them off, or?
Of course, and we're also thinking of customizing it with other devices. Like ATM machines or kiosk machines. Yeah.
Is this all weatherproof then?
Yeah, this one is.
Okay.
But some aren't. So,
some are,
not yet.
As you go. Yeah, absolutely. All right. Well, it is Catchflow. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you.